Listen close. Can you hear it? The whisper that shakes the mountains, the roar that stills the seas. It's the sound of heaven calling, calling you and me. In the stillness of the night I hear a melody so pure, so near. It breaks the chains, it dries the tears. The sound of heaven is here. It's the voice that speaks through fire. It's the wind that lifts the soul higher. The sound of heaven breaking through, bringing life and making all things new. Healing flows where the Spirit moves. The sound of heaven calling you. Every storm must bow to its song. Every heart finds where it belongs. The lost are found, the weak made strong. The sound of heaven goes on. It's a thunder, it's a whisper, a rushing river, a gentle stream. It's the anthem of redemption, the sound of heaven set to its free. Bringing life and making all things new. Healing flows, the sound of heaven calling you. The sound of heaven calling you. The sound